Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing. Today I have the Air Jordan 13 Red Flint. And this was maybe the easiest cop ever for me. I was unsure if it was going to be that easy, but I felt it that it was going to be easy to get them. And the thing that got me a bit worried was that they didn't end up in the sneakers app like until 24 hours before the drop maybe. And when everybody was totally crazy about Travis Scott's 6s releasing the day before, I thought nobody would care about these, and I was right more or less. Super easy cop, got them right away, no waiting list or waiting in line at the sneakers app or anything like that. And then on the afternoon, they were still available in most sizes. They did sell out, and the guys in US says that it's sold out as well. But I don't know if they're really sold out or if it's sold out the Nike way, where they remove it when they see that there is no interest of the shoe, and then they restock it later. But anyway, I think that these do deserve a little bit more hype. I must admit that the first time I saw the pics, I thought that there was going to be maroon colored, not red. And they aren't like popping red, they are actually a little bit maroon, so I'm super happy with that. But maroon would look better. But this is the first time we have this colorway on the Air Jordan 13. No, sorry, I'm wrong. This is the first time they are released in this colorway. Lately we have been getting a couple of shoes actually that are heavily inspired from PEs, player exclusives, used with the standard logo instead of the player exclusive signature. And this is one of them actually. That is another reason why they should be more hyped. This was a player exclusive that is now dropped as a general release. So it isn't the first time we see this colorway on the Air Jordan 13 or in general, but it is the first time they are being dropped to the public. So I like them. I like them a lot. The gray suede is soft. The red, as I said, is a dark red. It's not maroon, because this is maroon. So it is red, it is absolutely red, whatever the pictures say. But this would look super cool. Maroon with gray suede, that would be super cool. But maybe in the future. So this is more or less a red version of the blue Flint. And I've noticed that the guys that I'm late as always with doing our video, but the vloggers that have got them early, their shoes aren't with tumbled leather. So when they have compared it with the blue Flint, they have said that the red Flint aren't as soft and it isn't tumbled leather. But mine are tumbled leather. So I don't know if those guys got fake shoes, or sometimes the pre-releases aren't as good as the real releases. But I'm happy with these. Just to give you a close-up, because I don't know if you can see that on the video. But yeah, the tumble leather is just as good on both of them. And the leather is just as soft on both of them. So, I don't know if you care, but the gray is the same, the white is the same, the leather is the same. Both tumble leather, nice. And the Flint blue is super comfortable, as all the Air Jordan 13s. The only reason why I don't use them more often is because the suede goes really deep on the sole. So if it is at least a little bit of water outside or moist or whatever, you're gonna get that on a suede. So this is a dry day sneaker. And then with the final touch, as all Air Jordan 13 should have, the red part is reflective, and I'm gonna show you what that looks like. I think that is super cool. You don't see it during daytime, but with the Panther eye and the reflective, they look amazing when the flash hits it. So let me show you what it looks like. So here you can see that even when I have all the lights on in the kitchen or in my sneaker room, you can still see the flash effect. And if I turn off the lights, you see it even more. And now I have the windows up and everything. So the 3M reflective effect is really there. So on some 13s, it has been kind of weak. You have only seen like spots. But here, the reflective effect is really as it should be. Great looking shoe. So let's put them on feet, and they should be true to size. There should not be any problem at all with that. And as usual with that 3M effect, you usually don't see that with your naked eye. You can see hints of it like I do now, even though I have poor lighting in the hallway nowadays. But you see it best on picture or from another perspective. Like if you're out walking and a car drives with the lights on you, they will see the 3M effect. I would almost say that they are a little bit tighter than your normal Air Jordan 13. But no, I just had to loosen the laces. They are true to size, just as they should be. I'm really happy that I got them. I'm hoping for a maroon pair, but these look great. So, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, let me know. There are a bunch of better reviews of these shoes than mine. But when you're late, this is all I can do. Nice to have the shoes. Did you get them? Do you like them? Why did you not get them? Talk to me. Let me know. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.